Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel. You don't know, it's Radnez. Yeah man, lifestyle and vibes. Anyway my people, this morning, may I come to you all this morning, viewers and subscribers, with some message. Yeah, me have a message. You know, somebody tell me in the comment, say, me as an elder, I saying call me an elder, me supposed to talk good to the youths them. Me not an elder still, but respect still. But you know me I say, me go do the fatherly thing and give fatherly advice. Yes, to the best of my ability. Today, you see in the background and you see the thumbnail. So we have T-Bag in the background and T-Bag and Socks on the thumbnail. So we go talk about, me go set the message me I send today is a message to T-Bag and Socks. Young youths, when me want to settle the two of you first before me even go any further in this thing. You look like you never get the memo. Yeah, you don't look like you didn't get the memo. Let me help you with the memo. The memo says, as long as you're in the public eyes, meaning the public will look on you, the public will see you, you will do things where the public are going to see and talk about, the public will forever talk about you. T-Bag, Socks, let me tell you something about being in the limelight. Because it look like we never get the memo, my friends. When you're in the limelight, people go watch you, people go talk good about you, people go talk bad about you. Let me stop a little bit. Look how much good Color Smith do. And don't you see people that do video and I beat him down like him are the worst person on this earth? Let me ask you this question, T-Bag. You see Color Smith? I do no video about it. All you will see him doing in videos is just make small little talks in this video and move on to the next video. You understand what I say so far, T-Bag? I hope you understand what I say so far. Once you're in the public eyes, the public is going to have everything to say about you. The public don't even know you and then go tell you where you eat. And what you can do about that? Nothing. You can't stop nobody from talk about you. You can't stop nobody from say good about you. You can't stop nobody from say bad about you. You cannot stop that. And you will never stop that. T-Bag, you are a small person to what some big person going through. Let me help you out. You have a celebrity in them house, in a California, gated community, and you know what people do? Buy drone. Fly the drone over in the people in place. Just forget information, just forget pictures, just forget videos. There was one lady who she always do sunbath. And then fly a drone in our house and get pictures of her nudity to sell to the tabloid for money. So T-Bag, you never get the memo, but now me I give you the memo along with the messages that me go talk to you about. Now, me go say a little bit about Socks right here. And it's you and Socks. You and Socks have to realize the same thing. It's not about what you can stop and what you are tell people if you go make good content, if you go make positive content, You cannot tell anybody what content to make, my friend. You yourself make your content. Do your thing. They're doing their things to make their bread. So what you are doing right now is not going down the right road. So me as a big man, my first son older than you and Sax. Yes, man. My first son older than you and Sax. My second son older than you, but Sax is older than my second son. That's something that me I try to explain to you and tell you, say, me I talk to you as a father and as an elder and as a big man. You make a video way back when everything are gone, and your word was, you don't know where YouTube come to because the whole heap of things were going, you don't like it. But also, if you go back on my channel, me make a video, I protect you towards where people that say about you and scamming the lady. Because it happened to me too. So now me come, I protect you again from yourself. What you need to do is you need to let go this. No make no more video. I tell people stop the talking, stop make video. No make no more. Follow your boss. You have a good boss. Remember me tell you that you have a very good boss. Even you say it too. So by making this video, you are make your boss look bad. Because we know, say your boss, nah say, do that video there. You do it by your own. Because I know say, if you did contact Color, this way me I say my opinion, do you know? But me know. Even though my opinion, me know. Color that go tell us and I make the video. Remember what Kanta say, him never even say it to Color because he knows the Color go say no make no video like that. Because that's who Colors is. But what me I say to you now is, this is not about Color. What me I say to you is, cut that out, man. We go play some of the video and we go react to a few of the video. And there's a specific part in the video where me go address. Me go watch the video.
People them not stop. Call up a man them name on YouTube. I said this, I said that. Now man, you can just leg off of them sitting them and start, you know? Pre some positive thing. We not call up Jizzy Bird name, we not call up.
Hold on a little bit now. T-Bag. Your channel name, T-Bag Adventure. You're a part of Colorsmith. Tell me which day you hear Drizzy Burke, team member, or any of them on Walking TV, I go call your name. You think any of them will do a video like this? Let me ask you this question. Do you think any of them over there I go do a video like what you just do? Like what you just said? No. You will never get any of them. First comment, me can tell you. Any video with Drizzy do talking about anybody else, you're not going to hear nothing. Because he won't do it. Bingy General worse. I mean I talk because me have a mouth. Me I talk because me know. Many people don't know because me never say it. But Bingy General, me General. Bingy General, we won't get into that. Also, I go say to you, leave Drizzy Burke thing to itself. That over there so bigger than you. Look and think. Drizzy Burke name been calling about now pay workers from Border Cat days. Where you see Drizzy Burke do? You see Drizzy Bird come out one time, come discuss it. One time. And hold on, as a matter of fact, Drizzy Bird never even talk about it. The truth, Drizzy Bird did not even talk about any money not paying for anybody. Drizzy talk about the woman them. Wonder if you did listen to them video. What you have to do, T-Bag, is cut it out, man. Drizzy Bird situation bigger than you. You don't need to dabble in that. You don't need to go in that. What your job is and what you need to do is get back to where we love. Cooking up in the bush. Hiking up in the bush. Make we wonder what we up to next. That is where you need to pay attention to, man. You and Sax. Notice nobody else now do the video them own do, you know. This is not the first video you do, you know. This is the second video you do about content creators, vloggers, bloggers and all that. Leave that alone, my brethren. Listen what me I say, man. Left that alone. And as a matter of fact, left Drizzy name out of your mouth. Do your thing, man. Do your business. Think about your channel and Color Smith TV. Now, let me say this to you. This video, you is no better than us. You is no different from we. Yeah, you are do the same thing what we are do. And yet still you tell we if you stop do it. Me no make certain kind of video still, you know. Because the Sax video, when me see the Sax video, me da go make a video like similar to this towards Sax. But me say no, me nah bother because the way how Sax come out like him a defender of the earth. And me say me nah go get involved in that because him angry. And he make that little boy, so me nah try rude to people. He make that brother there over the channel there. Get him out. So the brother win and him lose. Just like how the content creator them a win and you a lose because you are follow them. Do you know that a person billing channel how him want billy? A person billing channel to how him want to bill in channel. Listen to your boss. Your boss only talk about a few channels, you know. And I believe your boss only comment on a few channels because me know your boss now go over there go comment on a people channel where I talk about him. I know him not do that. Hey, you hear me I talk like me know Color Smith. Me don't know him. Me don't know him that way, but from the way how the brother operate. Also, one of the main reasons to make me never really say nothing upon Sax. And me go say this to you now. This new to you, but me go say this to you. Me have people on the ground over there, you know. And me not bluff when me attack. Yeah, because at Portland me come from, where the boat land. And I won't say this part any other way. But me carry a heavy name at Portland. Yes. So, what make me not say nothing about Sax is because me hear what go on. And me know what go on. Sax firm. Yeah. Sax firm. Sax is just not a man where involved and love to get involved and love talk. So that's why if you notice, me never do a video about Sax. Because me know who Sax is. Me hear and know who you is too. And the you, yeah, I come out. Yeah. The real you a come out in a them video, yeah. But what me I say to you is, go back, man. Go back in the shell there, man. Pull back in there. Yeah, man. Pull back in there. Me I ask you, please, pull back in it. Because it's not necessary. I could go and watch some more of the video.
Color's name, when I call up Sax name, tell when they reach at me. And when they say, oh, me not answer. And
Okay. You say People say you not answer. So why you come out with this video? Since as you say you no answer and it work then left you alone, why did you come out with this video? You know, see what you are do. You believe them are start it up. No, and them are start it up. And you are build fire. Yeah, you are building man. You build up, you are take time and build up the fire and I throw gasoline on it. You know, say me myself, hope and pray say, Colors, watch this video or see this video. Come would have like the man pull you in, man. And make you know, you're a big man still, you're your own channel. Me know say him now go dictate and go on like a dictatorship in my run over there. But at the same time, I wish the man call you and say, yo, cut out them thing, man. Yeah, man, I wish the man would have call you, man, and say to you, say, man, no make no more of them video, them, man. Because this video, young lady, make you look. Me no want you, me no call people name. That's one thing me no like. I mean, me no go call you out your name. But here what me I say, brother, cut out the foolishness, man. Cut it out, man. Yes, then call up your name. And the only reason why people call up your name is because of the woman give them something to run with. Me was your defender. Me was your defender. Now me I come talk to you now. Me I send you a message. Cut out the foolishness, brother. Stop act like. Stop act some man. Between me and you know. Me I gotta be honest with you. Me rate the Walking TV. Me rate Color Smith TV very much. Me love what you do. Me like what you do. Because here what you do. You bring income to the parish of my birth. The land of my birth. The parish and the land of Funo birth. You do good for yourself, you do good for others, you help young YouTubers, you help a lot of people. But this not help nobody, brother. This not help. Personally, me go tell you, it not help you. Because remember me tell you, me do some videos. Very nice videos. All me get is 300 likes, 400 likes. Nobody don't like them video there. But the video me make about you and the woman, go over there and look how much thousands of people watch the video. Because when you check it out, the gossip sell, gossip work, brother. So me could go and watch a little bit more of the video, because I'm not done with it yet, you know.
When you jump on somebody else, somebody dance, when you jump on somebody else, you know, you can't just let go of them things, man. You know?
T-Bag, let me tell you something. Me always have to fix my glasses, you know. Wait, look to me and to others. It's like you are the. Me don't really want to say it, but it sounds like you are the Mr. Mighty. Because not only you are protect your team, but you go as far as take up Walking TV, Jesse Burke, in your topic. Where, to be honest with you, out of your league, that's not your place. If me could have used the word. That's not your place. Yes, you can. T-Bag, you continuously make a certain kind of talk, and we go make you hear something what you say, and then we go talk about it. Listen.
You know, if you not go do a YouTube channel as Color say, if you know plan say you not go to YouTube and just get a good phone, but have a good quality and just go start YouTube, you know have to say, alright, you know Color start us as creative cooking. You can just jump on that and start do some creative cooking as well.
T-Bag, that's where you go wrong. T-Bag, that's where you go wrong in a life, T-Bag. Notice what you just say. Like what Color say. Get a good phone and start out your thing. You say, Color, start creative cooking. That is Color Smith. That is Color Smith, my friend. I am not Color Smith. When me start my channel, I do cooking. My profession is cooking. Win all kind of award all over the place. But guess what happened? When me do the food channel, not never the two go on. So me change the channel. T-Bag, my son. You could have been my son. Because my youngest son older than you. Now because you see me look that way. Stress. Hard work. But let me tell you something, young boy. Young youth. My son. You cannot tell people what to do in life. You can't tell people what kind of channel to do. And now this one I go say to you, I hope you don't come across wrong. You don't own YouTube. The way you act like you own YouTube. YouTube is not yours. You are a YouTuber and a content creator like everybody else. So all you have to do, if you are going to follow somebody, if you are going to like them video, if you're not going to watch them video, just leave that alone, my friend. Yeah, man, just leave it alone, because what it do is it get you too deep. And if you listen to yourself, you are trying to tell people, say, them not do YouTube. And it's like YouTube is only for a certain set of people. No. Do you really watch YouTube? Me not think you watch YouTube. There is crime side of YouTube. There is cyber side of YouTube. There is LGBTQ side of, there is every side of YouTube. And guess what happened? What you are going to do about it? There's nothing you can do about it. So here what you are going to do? Stop make video about it. Let me say this to you. You see your videos them what you make? The videos them Color Smith make with you in it? When me gone, you gone, Color's gone, all who left behind, I go still watch them. And I say, oh, I wish that didn't have my time so I could have meet them people there. So the thing is, when I try to get to you is, I try to say to you is, cut it out. Stop make video and I tell people what to do. Stop make video and I dictate and I tell people what is, who is, and how is YouTube. Stop make video and I tell people where to get, figure start YouTube channel. And stop make video, I try to tell people, say everybody figure cook. Not everybody can cook. Not everybody can do a Color Smith though. Remember, and many try it. Many do it. Do you hear Color Smith and make no video about them? Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. You hear Color Smith and make no video about the people where I follow him cook? Missy man make cook not dumpling. Missy man make the same dumpling. Missy man go as far as put something different in there. Because them put for them twist on it. You know your Color Smith and make no video about them man there. That is why Color Smith is who he is. Listen now, young man. Stop make content creators, YouTubers, get to your head. Yeah man, stop going like you're a big bad Yeah, stop it, man, because it not gonna work. Because you cannot stop nobody from make video. You know, it's a message me I send. Me I try teach you something, and me I try tell you something, and me also I try warn you from yourself. Cause this a number 2 video you a make about calling people name. Now you pump it up. That's you even put Drizzy Burke name in your video. Drizzy Burke saga bigger than you. Leave that alone. Me I go tell you, you will never hear Drizzy Burke or a team member pan Drizzy Burke say teabag. Hold on a little bit. Let me throw a little gasoline on your fire. You know what them say? Them man there. You don't know that. That is what them say. Them man there. They not call you by name. So stop call up the people them name and stop make yourself look stupid. I have to go hard on you a little bit still. I mean, I go easy, I mean, I go hard. Because you need to cut it out, brother. I mean, enough people are going to come at me in the comment and I say, I the same man you did that protect, but I say go. If me tell you say you're wrong, me same one can tell you say you're right. And if me tell you say you're right, me same one can tell you say you're wrong. And me know Color Smith not approve to them video where you make. But Color Smith now go a boss you wanna tell us take them down or because of your own channel, you make your own channel. But what you need to do is you need to cut out them things, brother. May I ask you please if this could be the last video we see about you. I try to tell we or I try to tell them what to do. Because it not gonna work. All them are gonna do. Hey, T-Bag. Just do something wrong. And you see me seeing one. Pan your backside like white pan rice. Do something wrong. Yeah, T-Bag, let me say this to you. Do something wrong. And remember me tell you go see me. This a face ya. Pan you like white pan rice. Just like how me did that dip on your case. I look out for you when you never did guilty or something. Where tell you the truth. And you know the reason why me did dip on the case is because my foot pan the ground make me know what go on. That's why me back here. And because of nothing else. That's why me back here. But you don't know all them things. But me I tell you this. Cut it out, man. Stop going like you think because of your big body. People go immediately stop. No, they're not going to immediately stop. You and Sax make this brother here. Now call nobody name because I not call nobody name. I not give nobody no exposure upon my channel. You and Sax make this boy get to no head. Take a foot. Take a shoes off of your boss foot, no man. And notice where your boss nah answer nobody. What your boss do, you know? I'm just tell you about what your boss do. What your boss do? Your boss doing videos and put a few words in there. Most of them not smart enough or intelligent enough to realize, say, Color Smith a laugh off of you. I said, go. Lot of them not see that. Me see it, because I know me a dig for. That's why me respect Color Smith. Mark, you know, me not look nothing from him. Me will never ask him for anything. Me personally will more try to say to him, say, what me can, if you have a thing where me can send a. He have so much thing go on where sometime me sit down and me I say to myself, say, when them I go ask you something, by the time me see it, he gone, he done. Cause not all the time me able to can jump on. Yeah, not all the time. I could go and listen a little bit more away, because I not do too much of the video, you know?
And see if you can get some views, or you say when I go to some vlogging at some beach and you know, but you have to just pre say, yo, if me jump and say, yo, this a man do this a man do that, me we can get some views. No man, them sitting there, no no good. For every day you get up, you say I go up on YouTube, scroll through YouTube and see some lovely content. You will see some YouTuber I do some lovely content, you know. But you have some of them, I know, I don't know. So be negative things. Some of the time, I see some title or some video. When you see the title, oh, Colors me do this and Colors me do that. And when you have said someone to watch a video, it's not all about what the title. What your title video? So?
Okay, here we go again. My viewers and subscribers, me go cut the video short. See, me go stop the video because me I try to figure out how to relay to T-Bag and not being rude, disrespectful. But T-Bag, listen to what you just said a while ago. The thumbnail says, and when you watch the video, it's something different. Happened to me a whole bunch too. You know what that's called? Clickbait. That's what that's called. Clickbait. So, when you say that, you should have stopped the video right there. And the reason why you should have stopped the video right there, you should have looked into yourself and you should say to yourself, oh, so if they make a thumbnail with A and then in the video there is no A, that means they're looking views, they're trying to make money. So that for sure you say, if they can't make money off of you, who is you? If you think you go stop them from make money off of you with a clickbait video, when them a make clickbait video off of Colorsmith. Listen me now, T-Bag. Me go rest my case right here, so. And the reason me go rest my case right here, so is I don't want rude to you. I don't want to say anything rude. I only come here to send you a message. You want Socks, which this message is mostly for you because Socks never say all of them things. Socks just say people must stop calling him name. And Socks, the only reason why I never do a video for protect your brother and for make people know who you is and who you really is, and for make people know say you don't really talk all heap and I just say you stay, you know, like get involved in a certain thing. Me just never feel like I'm my job that. And when me feel like is me feel you make the error from day one by not saying even a small word. So to be honest with you, me couldn't say nothing. Me make the video. Yeah, me make 2 videos. Me just delete them a while ago. Like just delete them a while ago. So me never do really want to put them out there because me said to myself, say, you have ample time. It's your job to protect you and your boss. You never did do that, so me no think me should have jumped on it to say, yeah, Socks come out and talk. You know, because you coming out and talk is you make other people drag you out, meaning you're weak. So to you and mostly T-Bag, pull back in your shell. Because one thing you can do, you're not going to tell me or them what to do with them channel where them bill, them do everything for. All your job is to do. And as a matter of fact, me can't even tell you, say, stop talk still, you know. Me just believe you shouldn't make a next video. And that's my opinion. So, me still can't tell you, say, no make a next video. Me I tell you still and wish you would have listened still. But to Socks, most of all to T-Bag, take care of yourself. Big up yourself. Build your channel. Do your channel. Go over upon Color Smith and mash up the place. Do all kind of something. Think about your future. Stop think about negativity, because guess what? Them are do the negativity and you are think about it. So here what you do. Get out of the negativity. Think positive. Yeah? Think positive. Grow your channel. Do your thing. Enjoy life. Yeah, man. Enjoy life and don't look in life or at life as you're mighty and you are going to tell people where fi go up on YouTube go do and where fi not fi go up on YouTube go do. And YouTube have so many things. Murder, robbery, gun. YouTube have so much things that you wouldn't even believe some things were up on YouTube. But here you is trying to tell people what not to do. Anyway, my beautiful viewers and subscribers. Anyway, my people, go over. You can go over to T-Bag, go over to Socks, go over to Climber, go over to Poppy, go over to Color Smith TV, and don't remember Oliver Lifestyle, Ocean and Nova TV. Who again? Don't forget the General, Daddy Gargan, yeah man, and some more channel out there. Go over there, give them a check. See your opinion about what them say and what them do. It's also your opinion if you want to like, share, and comment on this video. Help me build the channel. Help me grow the channel, because here we only go talk the truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God. Yeah, me not no false nothing. Me not talk. I only talk it if I get the information which me and my people in on the ground. Yes. Now say a word, I'm out. Peace.